Sheriff, Kanosh south of 300S is in ready status. Wildfire active nearby, conditions can change quickly. Prepare to leave, and leave early if you feel unsafe. Stay alert and watch local news and cell phone alerts. Pack an emergency kit with medications, documents, water, and supplies. Make a plan and share it with your family and loved ones. Ready your household and pets, and prepare your vehicle to leave quickly. Leave early if you need extra time.
National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for North Mobile Bay until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Battleship Park, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Battleship Park, Pinto Island, and mouth of Mobile River. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location, North Mobile Bay.
This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Payton and Ellicott. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Lincoln, Montana, at 4:43 p.m. on July 31st, 2026, effective until 6:43 p.m. Red flag warning for this weekend. West winds 15 to 25 mph with gusts of 40 mph. Any fires that develop will spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended.
From DANC Trick Hospital: we are aware of phone service being interrupted. If you are using a tiered mobile cell service to contact the main hospital, PMG clinic, or physical therapy/home health Buellton will get a busy signal. We are able to receive landlines, phone calls and Verizon. We will update as soon as the issue is fixed. DANC Trig Hospital phone lines are working again. Thank you for your patience.